Good morning, folks. This is Jacob Folger, artist sculptor, and today we're going to do a surreal or abstract landscape painting. And I think it'll be a lot of fun. We're starting off with painting the mixed media paper that I'm using black, and we'll do that first. Just like that. The next step, we're going to take a toothbrush like this, dip it in some white paint, and flick it to make stars. And then I'll clean my toothbrush and dip it in some yellow ochre and like that. And then again in this blue here, I think will be nice. Try and give it some color and fun. There we go. Clean up in water. Now I'm just going to take just a regular paintbrush like this. And get some white. And I'm just going to paint a little snowy area. Like that. Now, I am not letting it wait to dry. I'm painting wet on wet because that's how I like to paint. It might be better for you to, do the stars and then wait a little bit for it to dry some before you move on to doing this the snowy part here. But for me, I'm not going to wait. Then I'm going to paint a little tree here. Just little offshoots, little branches. And I'll paint another tree right to the right of it. Like that. And then because this is going to be a water reflection, I'm going to take this tree and mirror it down here. And down here too for this tree. And the this part, can be a little bit different because it is water. It doesn't have to be exactly the same, but it gives the hints. Just gonna spend a little bit more time on this and get these branches a little bit more prominent here. Like that. Then I'm going to paint the moon right here. And it's reflected down here. Now it's a little difficult to make them perfectly round, but you get the idea. And then I'm going to take a fan brush like this. I'm going to get a little bit of yellow ochre on the brush, and I'm just going to dab it on my workspace to kind of relax it a little bit. And then I'm just going to go in here, and what I'm doing is I'm kind of rotating the brush like this as I put it on. And keep in mind that right now still the paint is all wet. I haven't let it dry. And that is the style I like to paint, but you might like to wait for the paint to dry in between layers. And then I'll come down here and do the same down here. Really easy, fun, surreal landscape. Really fun and easy. Let's get some close-ups. Again, my name is Jacob Folger. I'm an artist sculptor, and here on my channel I teach how to paint, sculpt clay, make jewelry, and other fun art objects and that sort of thing. I try to make learning to paint and sculpt and that sort of thing obtainable by the average person. If you decide to do it, please send me a picture. I would love to see it. I'd love to see what you do with this tutorial. Please give the video a like, share it with your friends, and leave me a comment. Tell me where you're watching from and what you thought of the video. And subscribe for over 500 tutorials on my channel and more coming. Thank you so much for watching. And thank you so much for your support. Have a great day. Bye-bye.